Hi everyone, small house update. Yesterday we got some leveling compound. We filled our 3 rooms of 4 with it, the kitchen, the guest room, and also the entering room. I don't know what it's called. And the results are pretty amazing. They are pretty amazing. Let me show you. So we're beginning at the kitchen. It's still drying up. Wait, let me like this. It's still drying up. That's why you see some lighter parts and some darker parts. Like there, it's still drying up. But after 3 hours, you can walk on it. But it's been now 24 hours, and should be completely fine to walk around here. And this is awesome. This is really, really awesome. How fine level everything went. Let me get a tool to show it to you better. This is really, 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 really awesome. And the last room here, it's still drying because the circulation of the wind, the circulation is not best in this corner, so it takes a little bit more time. I also today, a few hours ago, I installed the small heating ventilation. I mean, it's floor heating, but also heating ventilation, because last night I had the whole time the windows open, so the wind could go through here completely. But now let me show you this thing here. Whoop, whoop, whoop. For example, in the kitchen. So these are 2 meters. And this is awesome. This is really, really, really awesome. And let's show that there's nearly no gap in between. And also, let me show it on this part, in this direction. No gap, no light is coming in between. This is really, really, really awesome. Really plain. So if you have any similar project, I can highly recommend doing it with this leveling compound. No, nearly forgot. What you need for that is something like this. This is normally for paint, but since the leveling compound is really, really not really thick, it's really thin. This one was perfect. And also, maybe I find it. The second thing. Come on, get out of here. This one. With those, it was really awesome to mix the compound, but also, I don't know what it's called in English, but with this tool, and also when you're laying it out, the compound, to stretch it in all corners, something like this. You see, to have it scratched in every corner, so it mostly is the same on every corner. And in the end, most important, this thing here. This thing, it has some small plastic, not really needles, but it gets out all the bubbles from the compound when you're laying it out, but also it kind of levels it also, and then you're mostly good to go. Don't forget, when you're walking around, those are pretty cheap at Amazon. You have some needles on the bottom, so you don't walk in your normal shoes in that compound and make everything a mess again. Those were really helpful.